Ciao, I'm Enzo.
I'm Celia.
This is a Piazza Talk, our channel about our life in Lucca
and in the Tuscan hills.
Please hit the subscribe button. Grazie.
Today we're in Viareggio, one of my happy places, particularly in winter. And on the beach, there are just these gigantic bronzes by Igor Mitarai.
And this is the museum in Palestrina, Palazzo Barberini.
It seems the Roman temple is underneath the museum. Well, it's Valentine's Day, or nearly Valentine's Day, so we thought we'd do a passeggiata di amore. The one we're doing today is from Bagni di Lucca.
Eventually we found it. It's probably officially marked with l'amore.
Look at these beautiful old stone benches put here.
Celia, the kids have been playing under this arch there for 2,800 years.
And they're still doing it.
And they still do it. What's that, Celia?
The most beautiful.
It's a Roman theatre. Ciao a tutti. We had a very tough week at the house. We've been working very hard, so we need something that is comforting and nice. We thought the best thing to do is a wonderful lasagna.
Oh, that looks perfect. It's just out of this world.
Ciao a tutti.
Ciao a tutti. We went a couple of days ago to collect a new pump in
Castellina in Chianti.
When we were in Chianti, pop into San Gimignano.
Ciao a tutti. Today we're going to cook one of the most popular Italian dishes around the world, carbonara. Guanciale. And now we can serve. Ciao a tutti.
Ciao a tutti. This week's different, and I hope you'll be as excited as we are. This week's video is more of a documentary. We were invited by a group of shepherds to join them in the Transumanza, or the Transhumance. It's the taking of the sheep from the lower pastures up to the high pastures for the summer. Well, it's 5:30 in the morning and we're leaving.
San Pellegrino è quello lì, sì, l'ospedale lì.
E le pecorine durante l'estate le tengono lassù.
Lassù. No, dico perché è troppo buono.
Ora c'è anche una metti per te.
Sì, grazie.
Buon appetito a tutti.
Buon appetito.
Buon appetito.
Buon appetito. Ciao a tutti. I think it's time that we go inside and cook something.
Cook some lunch.
Yes, I'm hungry.
Me too. So what are we having today?
Today we got to have spaghetti alla Nerano.
And it doesn't feel heavy. It feels, even though it's quite rich, it's fried and it's got cheese. This is a perfect vegetarian dinner party dish. Ciao tutti.
Ciao a tutti.
Today we're in our little village, Benabio. And Benabio, like other villages, has its own museum. After culture, one always needs food, and so we've put into our village restaurant, which is
Cavallino bianco. Rigatoni with speck and gorgonzola and walnuts.
I've got prosciutto e melone. Molto scolepino.
So good.
Italy is in the middle of a real heat wave. It's day after day of really hot weather.
Are you thirsty?
Yeah, I'm thirsty. It's very hot.
It is still very hot. There's no sign of the temperature going down, and I don't think we need something light to eat, something that is refreshing. So I thought that the best thing to do is to get a traditional bruschetta.
Ciao a tutti.
Ciao a tutti.
In this week's video, we go into the kitchen of our local village restaurant. So we want to take you along to our village restaurant, where we asked Claudio and Alessandro if we could join them for a morning. Claudio is really the cook, and Alessandro does sale e aiuta cuoco. In fact, in a small restaurant, everybody does everything, basically.
Petti di pollo al limone.
And also a glass of local red wine.
Very good.
Grazie. So you're having the penne with ham and
but I
cream.
tried earlier, so I know it's good.
And I'm having my pasta lasagna with peppers and olives.
Which literally means gypsy pasta, I guess.
Suppose so. Buon appetito.
Buon appetito. We're having our first beach day of the year, so we're a bit behind the rest of the world. But that's what happens when you work with tourism. And it's an absolutely perfect day.
How do you like your ice cream? What are you having?
I'm having mango and almonds. We're in Monte Rosso and we're going to walk to Vernazza, which are the northern villages of Cinque Terre.
We made it to Vernazza.
We have.
Very, very pretty.
Imagine how amazing it must have been 50 years ago.
Yes, with no clouds.
Well, Lucca isn't the Lucca most tourists know for the next 5 days. We may be coming out of the front door and it's nice and quiet, but round the corner is a big surprise.
Chi sei?
La sciamana.
La sciamana. Chi sei?
Allora,
Di quale serie? Di quale...
videogioco.
Videogioco.
Who are you?
I am Sanji from One Piece,
Which is a video game or
which is an anime.
Where are we today?
We're in the Fiera di Sant'Anna, and so our friends have brought the animals here and are working very hard to keep them cool. This is my dear friend Sophia.
And she's pregnant.
She's pregnant, she is. She's about 3 months pregnant.
3 months, yes.
Ascoltami, ma te lo ricordo 3 fornetti piccoline. Ma figurati, io ti ho detto, ma figurati a vedere quella cosa. Sì, siete grandi.
So to collect the oil, the first thing we do is put nets all over the terraces, under the trees.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, leave a like and activate the notification bell. Just leave a Google account and it's free. It helps our community enormously. Thank you very much.